Can you receive compensation for your bedbug injuries? Is one of the most common questions asked by clients. Of course, the answer to that question will vary greatly between clients. There are a number of factors that an attorney needs to consider on any bedbug injury case. Getting paid for your bedbug injuries, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to that question because every bedbug case is different. An experienced bedbug attorney will ask you a variety of questions to know the chances of how successful your lawsuit might be, including how severe were your injuries? Every individual reacts differently to a bedbug bite. Some people will hardly notice the bites on their body, others will have a severe allergic reaction. Most victims fall somewhere in the middle. A majority of bedbug victims will have multiple bites resulting in itchy welts for a period of days or weeks. Some bedbug bite injury victims will still experience the sensation of bites months after the bites have healed. The emotional and psychological impact of bedbug bite injuries can be more serious than the physical bite itself. Another consideration is how many bites you sustained. Depending on how many or how few bedbugs there were, you could have been bitten a few times or a few hundred. Some bedbug injury victims discover bites from head to toe, while others may only have them in an isolated area. A strong bedbug case will seek damages beyond the physical injuries. Damages from bedbug cases can include medical bills, lost wages, mental and emotional distress. Some victims are unable to sleep comfortably or they require psychological treatment. Extermination bills. Bedbugs often travel back home with you. Lost personal belongings. You may have to have thrown out all of the luggage, clothes, shoes, and other items that you had been traveling with. What did the hotel owners or managers do to prevent this infestation? No matter how severe the injuries or how inconvenient or expensive the bedbug infestation is, you need to prove negligence on the part of the hotel to have a winning case. Negligence on the part of the property occurs when the owner or manager fails in his or her duty to protect their guests. Failures of duty often occur by a lack of training or of critical staff members on how to identify bedbugs. They can also include a failure to put in place a bedbug protocol or have reasonable pest control measures at the property. There are many duties that a hotel owes its guests. Contact our office if you believe you've been injured as a result of the negligence of another. Consider this example of possible negligence. A hotel owner gets a complaint of bedbug bites from a guest. In an attempt to save money, the owner decides to deal with the potential bedbug problem by themselves. They clean the room thoroughly, they don't see any bedbugs, they don't have an exterminator come, they don't have anybody with particularized training to inspect the room to detect bedbugs. The owner doesn't know what is necessary to eliminate bedbugs in a hotel room. Bedbugs remain in the room and injure more guests. Guests injured by bedbugs at this hotel would have a very strong claim for their injuries. How are you documenting your injuries and any bedbugs that you found? Documentation and evidence are very valuable in pursuing a bedbug injury claim. If you are bitten and you notice it before you leave your hotel room, search the room for signs of bedbugs. You can usually see bedbugs with the naked eye, especially adult bedbugs. You can also see black and rust-colored spots on the sheets, mattress, or box spring. These are bedbug droppings or fecal spotting. Search the comforter, sheets, mattress, box spring, and even the furniture in the room. Take pictures of anything you find that indicates bedbugs, including live bedbugs, dead bedbugs, fecal spotting, bedbug skins, eggs, or other pests. Visiting a doctor for your injuries is also recommended. Ask for documentation of your visit. Having a doctor record the nature of your injuries can be useful in your case. If you or someone you know has been bitten and you think negligence was involved, contact us. We are happy to answer all of your questions. We provide a free case evaluation and charge no fees unless we win your case. Visit bedbuglaw.com or call us today. Know your rights when bedbugs bite. contact us so we can answer your questions. Contact the Bedbug Law Firm. The only way to know if you have a chance at collecting compensation is to speak to an experienced bedbug attorney.